Hello! So I went to an art market and some vendors were selling beads. So let me show you what I got this day. And of course, this video is not sponsored. First let me show you these seed beads. I remember this vendor had a huge variety of colors on display and it was just so hard for me to decide. So I just tried to pick some that match. I will also use some of them to finish these earrings. These milky looking beads really caught my eye. As well as this pretty pink mix. What I like about them is that they are pink on the inside, and I don't have many two-colored beads yet. I also got some bicones. And some pretty rondelles. I love making bracelets with glass pearls like this. At one booth they had a box with all kinds of random glass beads, each for a few cents, so I tried to find at least 2 of the same kind. All you can see here I picked individually, some more glass beads, and with these and the seahorses I want to make a pair of earrings for more of this kind. I found these really pretty and I bought some bead caps. Here you can see what they would look like on a bead. These were only 1 or 2 euro each and I think I made a very good deal. Finally, I got my hands on a beading board for bracelets. Whenever I wanted to order one, it was sold out, then I forgot about it again. This went on for a while, so now I'm happy I have one. What I also got are these 2 tote bags. I just love these colors, and of course I'm planning to add some bead embroidery of any kind. I'm not quite sure yet if I should do ornaments like this and then sew them on, or if I should sew directly onto the bag. I'm happy I found this huge 30 cm embroidery hoop a while ago. This will definitely come in handy. And lastly, these 2 threads. And apparently they are absolutely tear-proof. We will see about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.